think of people I'll invite to my stage when my cake is looking just right.